Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to customize four-finger gestures on your Windows 11 touchpad. If you want to make your workflow faster and more efficient, learning to adjust these gestures can save a lot of time. First, right-click on the Start icon located at the bottom. From the list that appears, click on Settings to open the main Settings window. Next, in the Settings menu, look at the left-hand side and select Bluetooth and Devices. After that, scroll down through the list until you find Touchpad and click on it to open the Touchpad settings. Once you are in the Touchpad settings, locate the four-finger gestures section. Next to swipes, tap on the menu and you will see four options: Nothing, Switch Apps and Show Desktop, Switch Desktop and Show Desktop, and Change Audio and Volume. Choose the one that fits your needs. Then, look at the Taps section. Click on the menu to reveal options such as Nothing, Open Search, Notification Center, Play and Pause, and Middle Mouse button. Select the gesture you prefer for quick access to your most used functions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.